Now make we join our people for inside Pidgin News Network commentary box to touchlight as see the shele for countries.
Pidgin News commentary box. Now they come so my people now man on the street be this. First I famous to say more giving a story where they happen around town, around Nigeria and everywhere. As we say more they calculate they go now somebody advice say Nigeria we suppose get sense so as Senegal don't they use the agbo they take treat people for Ebola, don't they use and they fight corona there. As the match they go with they calculate now so fire carry himself. Enter NNPC for Ogba for Lagos State, begin to burn houses and cars for that area. Hey, the team come warriors who can say no, we need to get good players to play for this match. Now we say, but we call DSS. As we call DSS can't deny. So not be them enter the house of Chief of Staff for Edo State. That former Chief of Staff will resign, we name Akerele, we resign. They say DSS carry themselves go there. But DSS say not be them. As we they calculate, say, maybe that won't be our problem. I bet make we bring better players to play the match. Now we say, make we go Egypt to give us players to play the match. Now we hear say Koro don't hit 4,534 people. As even already 370 people don't buy for Egypt for the matter. Hey, how we go to win this match? 6 minutes to the match as the match on the go. Now the governor for New York come talk saying as the way they see this thing he said they go open small, make them they make their life they better, make Corona just finish them totally. Now even said Italy come talk saying if like we go follow the same thing, may we say they open small. Because of this good news, as all of them talk now the Prime Minister of UK, when name now Boris Johnson, can't show face after so many days where Corona don't give him injury. He no finish for there. We can't find better player. We go help us play the match. Same we go bring that rapper. Wait there for US. When name now Fred Godson. We can't find and say, hey, Corona don't kill the guy. My people now dear Lagos State come here. They can't begin to arrange for joint body burial. They say because the way the matter they go, it be like say we no go win this match. He not finish for them. As Corona they show himself anyhow. Corona carry himself show for 4 states of Nigeria where be Cross River, Kogi and Nasarawa and one other state where I go still bring the news for now. He not finish for them my people. APC don't tell PDP say come. Make una no use Corona matter come spoil our government because we know what to una fit do. Because of this, Ondo government can't reject all the fake rights where federal government send for them. My people, now we tell ref we say I beg ref won't do changes because the changes we won't do now that article song where they say get Corona before they say finally he don't free from the isolation center as Corona don't free and finally he not finish for there just to blow the final whistle today. Now President Muhammadu Buhari can talk say that 2 weeks lockdown when give for Corona matter for Lagos and other part of Nigeria he say he don't increase Lagos own lockdown with another 1 week. My people, this now Pidgin News commentary box. Now man on the street be this.